Hurricane Nicole made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane not too long ago, and now is continuing to push further inland over the peninsula of Florida. Will continue to weaken. It's down to a tropical storm with winds as of the last update at 70 miles per hour. The next update, I'm sure they'll be down in the 60 mile per hour range, but then we'll start to slide a little further off to the north. Briefly move over the waters of the Gulf briefly, and then back over toward the Panhandle, where it will eventually make its way into our state. Now, this won't happen until the wee hours of the morning on Friday is when it will push into the state, but already starting to spread some of the effects our way as far as the clouds go, and our winds have already begun to pick up. That's only going to intensify more as the center of circulation gets closer to our area. Fortunately for us, it stays on the right side, at least, of our area. Here's North Georgia, here's Atlanta. You can see where the line is forecast to move. Any further to the west, that would have been greater impacts for us, but we're still going to be impacted by this, of course, mainly by the wind and the rain that's going to be out there. And the timing for us is not the greatest, of course. That coming, I think the peak of it will be around during tomorrow morning's commute. This morning, we just have the clouds in place, and we'll start to see the winds pick up a little bit, but those gusts will start to get up there a little bit. Now, here's our impacts. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. Even higher amounts are certainly possible. Those wind gusts, some of those will get up to about 40 miles per hour. We'll say between 30 and 40 miles per hour as we head through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Severe weather, I don't think we're going to see much of that, at least here. Most of that will be down toward the coast, southeast of our area, well south and east of our area. And so really it's the rain and the wind that we have to deal with. When you combine the two of those, that could lead to some power outages, of course, because it could knock over some trees. So we'll be on the lookout for that. And again, the peak of that will be over us by tomorrow morning. It's going to be a rough Friday morning commute for us. We'll have more on that coming up.